There's something about a perfectly styled woman that makes her presence unforgettable. It isn't just the way she carries herself, the way she moves, or even the way she dresses. It's the entire composition, from the way her clothes drape elegantly over her figure to the way her hair softly frames her face. While many focus on curating the perfect wardrobe, few realize the transformative power of a refined hairstyle. A well-styled woman doesn't just wear beautiful outfits. She understands that her hair is the final, defining touch, the subtle difference between looking nice and looking effortlessly put together. But here's the best part. Elegance in hairstyling isn't about complexity. The most polished women in the world don't rely on intricate updos or trendy high-maintenance styles. Instead, they embrace timeless simplicity, the kind of styling that takes only minutes, yet elevates their entire look. Whether you have long, short, wavy, curly, or straight hair, there is always an elegant and easy style that can bring out your natural beauty. Today, we're uncovering the most sophisticated yet effortless hairstyles, the ones that never go out of style, and that will instantly add a touch of luxury to your look. Few hairstyles exude understated luxury, quite like the classic low bun. Worn by royalty, Hollywood icons, and effortlessly elegant women, this hairstyle is a go-to for polished sophistication. And one of the best examples of this look is Grace Kelly, whose refined, timeless style continues to inspire women today. Her signature low, smooth chignons embodied the essence of old money elegance, graceful, poised, and effortlessly put together. The beauty of the low bun lies in its versatility. It can be sleek and structured for a polished, formal look, or styled with a soft, undone finish for a more relaxed yet sophisticated effect. Regardless of the occasion, it always feels intentional and refined. Achieving this style is remarkably simple. A center or deep side part gives a classic touch, while the hair is gathered smoothly at the nape of the neck, twisted into a bun, and secured with discreet pins. A light mist of hairspray or a smoothing cream ensures a clean, polished look that lasts all day. For a more romantic, feminine touch, leaving a few soft tendrils around the face adds effortless movement and charm. A pearl-embellished pin, silk ribbon, or minimalist gold hair accessory instantly elevates the look without making it feel overdone. The low bun is a true embodiment of quiet luxury. It requires minimal effort, but delivers maximum sophistication. It is a staple in the wardrobes of European socialites, classic Hollywood stars, and modern-day elegant women, proving that true style is about simplicity, not excess. There is something undeniably graceful and feminine about the half-up, half-down hairstyle. It strikes the perfect balance between effortless and put together, creating a look that feels polished, yet natural. This style is loved for its adaptability. For a structured and formal version, the top section of the hair is pulled back neatly and secured with a delicate barrette or a chic hair tie. For a softer, more romantic feel, the hair can be loosely gathered with subtle volume at the crown, creating a flattering lift that enhances the face. A timeless favorite among old money and European women, this hairstyle complements every outfit and every season, whether paired with a crisp white blouse and tailored trousers or a flowing silk dress. It always exudes quiet luxury. Few hairstyles feel as quintessentially Parisian as the French twist. This iconic updo, worn by generations of sophisticated women, has remained a go-to choice for everything from red carpet events to everyday elegance. Unlike a traditional bun, the French twist is rolled upwards, creating a soft yet structured effect that adds height and refinement to the silhouette. Its slightly undone, effortlessly chic finish makes it perfect for those who love a touch of understated glamour. Pairing this hairstyle with pearl earrings and a high-neck blouse enhances its timeless charm. Whether styled for a formal occasion or simply as an elegant everyday look, the French twist is one of those rare hairstyles that elevates every woman who wears it. Waves have long been associated with effortless beauty, embodying that "I woke up like this" refinement that so many strive for. Unlike tight, structured curls, soft waves create a natural, luxurious movement that looks as elegant in the daytime as it does in the evening. Creating the perfect waves is all about subtle styling. A large barrel curling iron or heatless rollers can add volume and shape without making the hair look overly styled. Running fingers through the waves after curling ensures that the hair retains a soft, undone quality, the secret to looking polished without seeming like you tried too hard. This hairstyle works beautifully on its own, but also serves as the foundation for other elegant looks. A loose ponytail with soft waves cascading down the back, or a simple side-swept style, instantly feels luxurious and intentional. Headbands aren't just accessories, they're statement pieces. Worn by old money women for decades, they have remained a signature symbol of quiet luxury. A well-placed headband can instantly transform a simple hairstyle into a refined, preppy masterpiece. For a structured and classic feel, a thicker, velvet headband in neutral tones like beige, navy, or black creates a look that feels high-end and polished. A silk or satin ribbon-style headband, on the other hand, lends a softer, more romantic aesthetic. This look is particularly stunning when paired with a trench coat in the fall or a lightweight summer dress, proving that small details in hairstyling can make all the difference. The way a woman styles her hair says so much about her presence, her taste, and her approach to beauty. True elegance doesn't require excessive effort. It's about making intentional choices that highlight natural grace and timeless beauty. These hairstyles, whether a classic low bun, soft waves, or a Parisian-inspired twist, are easy to achieve yet endlessly sophisticated. They work for every hair type, every occasion, and every woman who wants to feel confident, poised, and effortlessly refined. So, tell me, which of these hairstyles will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more timeless fashion and beauty inspiration. Until next time, stay elegant.